Hey friends, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So today I'm going to talk about 10 of my favorite organizing products that I've been using for the last 10 years of my organizing career and that I keep buying over and over again, that I keep recommending to clients over and over again. These products have stood the test of time. You don't have to buy products to organize, but if you want to, here are 10 that I've been using that I think are the real MVPs of my organizing purchases. All right, let's get into it. So before we get started, anything I mentioned in this video will be linked down in the description below at my Amazon store or at the Container Store, depending on whether or not it's exclusive. They will be affiliate links which support the channel. So if that's something you feel comfortable with, go down there and check them out. Before I was organizing on my own, I was working for the Container Store. I was an employee for the longest time, like 8 or 9 years. And I got the opportunity to try a lot of really great organizing products on my own. And there were lots of duds, but there were also lots of great things too. And I got to try them at a really fantastic discount. So I've got a lot of experience when it comes to organizing products. So a lot of these products I've been using for at least 10 years and they have stood the test of time. All right, let's just get into it. The first one is the Simple Human Tension Shower Rack. I don't talk about the shower rack very often and I don't show it on my channel very often, but it's one of my favorite things to organize. My husband bought it before we were engaged when I was working at a college night at Container Store. Shout out to those of you who remember or have ever shopped at a Container Store college night. As a matter of fact, if you have, let me know down in the comment below. Anyway, college night, you have the opportunity to like save 20% or something like that. So he was like, I'll shop during your college night and I'll buy this expensive shower rack. And it turned out to be one of the greatest things we've ever had. We've had it in 5 different spaces and it's worked every time. It's so great because it allows you to store your stuff in a really tiny vertical space. The key to getting a lot of spaces organized is using that floor to ceiling vertical space, and the Simple Human Tension Shower Rack, I can't even say the name of it. The Simple Human Tension Shower Rack is so good. It allows you to move the baskets up and down. It comes with a hook. I think we've lost the hook, but we did have our basket start to rust at one point and we actually contacted Simple Human and they just sent us new ones. So we've had really good experience with the Simple Human customer service. I know the customer service varies from person to person, the experience with them, but we've had a really good experience with Simple Human customer service. They just sent us new baskets and we put them on there and it was fantastic. So we love this thing. We've had it for almost the entirety of our engagement and marriage, and it will probably continue to stay with us for a long time. It is expensive, but we've had it for a long time and it's never broken. So you get what you pay for sometimes. Okay, number 2 will be no secret for those of you who have seen my channel at all. If you've seen 5 seconds of my channel, you know that I love Alpha Shelving. This is exclusive to the Container Store. They've been selling this since the 90s and it was originally a like Swedish shelving system. They have a most ingenious engineering over there and it's beautiful, flexible, and adjustable, which is what I love about it. It's so easy to install, and I've moved Alpha pieces from apartment to apartment to apartment. I've had Alpha pieces for at least 10 years, and they still look brand new. They're solid, they're great, and I just love it. Now, Container Store has new leadership, and their Alpha sale is not the same as it has been previous years, which is a mistake, I think. If they ever decide to offer it on like actual sale again, definitely take advantage, but the Alpha sale just not the best this year. However, it was usually 30% off at Christmas, and that's what I would take advantage of. I would just buy a bunch of Alpha at Christmas time. But if you want a very flexible system, and I know Container Store is investing in other closet companies. I think they just bought Closet Works. So I don't know what they're doing, but at least they still have Alpha. I love it. It's like freestanding. You can buy freestanding Alpha. You can buy Alpha you put on the wall. You can buy Alpha you put on the door. You can buy Alpha you put in, like, if freestanding, you put a little drawer unit. It's there's so many possibilities with this, and it's so flexible. I love it. I love it. Number 3 are these hinged boxes. These are, again, I think exclusive to the Container Store. This is probably the dumbest thing on the list, but for some reason I love these things and I use them. I just keep buying them over and over again. They're so great. Actually, I don't keep buying them. I think I only have like 4 or 5, but They are small enough to hold like those little tiny pieces of equipment that you need, like electronic equipment pieces that you need, or like SD cards and stuff like that without them getting damaged. And even that stupid adapter that they sold with the first generation Apple Pencil, which I still have, by the way. Shout out to me who's had a first generation Apple Pencil with the top. I have not lost the top I've had this since 2016. Give me some pats, okay? That's a real feat. However, the little adapter that came with this, bad design, by the way, to charge it, it lives in one of those hinged boxes, and it's like a genius place to put that. I've also used this to keep gift cards, because you know, if you get a lot of gift cards, you just have them around, you just don't know what to do with them. Put them in a little hinged box, put them in your purse, and then when you're out, you can, you know, take out the Whole Foods gift card or whatever. And I also use them to put in my very small collection of Animal Crossing New Horizons, or just Animal Crossing general amiibo cards. Because you can't get amiibo cards, really. Thanks, Nintendo. Anyway, these hinged boxes are so good. I always recommend them if you're looking to organize like little tiny things. They're the best. They're kind of stackable. They're just good. The fourth item that I love to organize with is command hooks. Y'all know I am the command hook queen. 3M, if you are watching this, please like give me a sponsorship or something, just affiliate code. I don't know. Command hooks, listen, they're the best thing since sliced bread if you use them correctly. I have a whole collection of command hooks. I made a whole video on command hooks. Y'all loved it. But I love to organize with command hooks. They're so versatile and so flexible, and they are renter friendly if you use them correctly. So just make sure to clean the wall appropriately before you put them up, and then very slowly pull down the tape. It's like a whole thing. I have had command strips sort of pull paint off the wall, but it's not as common as it not damaging the wall. So just be careful with them, but they are great. I've used them to hang curtains. I've used them to hold my dog's leashes and stuff. I've used them to hang bags and coats and just do all kinds of overall organizing. So command hooks, please, they're the greatest thing of all time. And I think I even still have command hooks from when I had like my very first apartment back in 2001 or something. When I moved out and I went to grad school, I had my very first like real apartment, and I was like, oh, command hooks. I think I still have some of those command hooks. So they last a long time, because that was a long time ago. But yes, I recommend command hooks. They're so good. All right, the fifth thing that I've been using for a long time and I love, and it's changed my life. I swear, after I discovered this, I was like, why wasn't I doing this the whole time I was packing clothes? And that's packing cubes. Any kind of packing cubes will do. There's like, I've tried a bunch of different varieties of packing cubes. They're all kind of the same, but I love packing cubes when you're packing your bag to go someplace. They just make everything more organized. It's easier for you to find things. You can put all your underwear in one, all your jeans in the other, all your t-shirts in one. They can be color coded, all kinds of fun things. And they make it easy for TSA if they need to search your bag, to search your bag. Like, cause they'll just open the thing and see that's in there, they'll close it up and then they'll put it back in, and it's not a whole disaster. That way, cause when you fold your clothes up inside without the packing cube, then they're just gonna tear up your suitcase. It's a whole thing. So packing cubes, big believer, changed my life. I remember when I was first working at the Container Store and I was in the travel aisle and I was like, what are these, packing cubes? And then I was like, what do you need that for? That seems dumb. It wasn't dumb. It was good. It was good. All right, number 7, I love Intermetro shelving and Metro shelving. Now you can find a lot of knockoffs of this product, but I'm a snob, and I say only buy Intermetro and Metro products with the actual Intermetro and Metro seal. They are very, very good. They are so good at holding a lot of weight. So if you have something really heavy, like if you're storing a lot of heavy boxes of books or papers, you need Intermetro shelving. And Metro shelving is the stuff they use at the back of restaurants to hold all the pots and pans and stuff. It's beautiful. The Metro shelving, like the silver chrome stuff, is super expensive. You don't need that if you're just at your house. You need Intermetro, and fun fact, the Intermetro posts and the Metro post are 2 different diameters so that you can't mix and match them. It's done on purpose. And it's just a fun fact. But I love Intermetro shelving. It's great. You can buy like a starter kit at Container Store for I think $100 or something. If it's probably not $100 anymore. I'll put the price like right here on the screen, but it's so good. And you can, again, adjust the shelving. I love anything you can adjust. So anything you can adjust is great for organizing, because if your needs change or if you need to move the thing, you can take it apart, and you don't need any tools. All you need is a mallet. So That's a win. Anyway, inner metro shelving, love it. Highly recommend, especially for basements. For basements, highly recommend, highly recommend. Wait, I skipped number 6. I skipped 6. Let's go back, let's go back. Number 6 is spice drawer organizers. Again, my life has been changed by the ability to store spices in a drawer instead of on a shelf or in a cabinet or something like that. When I was growing up, my mom had all of these spices in the cabinet on a turntable, which we'll talk about later. And I could never find anything when I needed to get a spice. I was like, I kept turning the turntable, just watching the spices go round and round like a merry-go-round at a circus, and it just was not, it's not it. My spice drawer allows me to see everything in one glance, and if you are an extra A+ organizing student, you will alphabetize your spices so that you can so that you can easily find what you need. Anyway, I've had this plastic, I think it's expand a drawer variety of one for a long time. I may upgrade it at some point. I know they make some really pretty wooden ones, but this one has served me well for the last 6 years, 7 years, and I really, really love it. If you have drawer space to spare, and I understand that not everyone has drawer space to spare, drawer space is like very holy in the kitchen, and sometimes you just don't have the space to spare. But if you do, like me, a spice drawer is a good investment, and a spice drawer organizer is what should go in there. That didn't make sense. All right, we're gonna go circle back to number 8. Oh, that was my list. It's like sitting up on this. It's just like really, really precarious. It's not a good idea, but it's what I'm doing right now. All right, number 8 are pop canisters from OXO. Now, I love a good pop container. They have just been so good. I've been using these for the longest time, and I love them. They're so easy to open, and they keep everything in an airtight situation, and they come in all these different sizes and shapes, and you can label them with my Cricut, which I do use on a, this is not a sponsored video by Cricut, don't worry, but I love to label them. They're very easily washable. You can wash them by hand, or you can stick, I think, certain parts now in the dishwasher. They used to not be dishwasher safe, but I think they are now. And I think there were possibly some quality issues with pop canisters a little bit ago, but I think they've since corrected those issues. I don't know if you've bought pop canisters recently, let me know. I haven't bought them recently. Well, that's not true. I do have some newer pop canisters, but they seem to be okay. So I love them. They seal really well. I have had one occasion where like either it wasn't sealed or like I just didn't do a very good job shutting it. But my God. I spilled almost the entire bag of flour in the kitchen. Look at that. And our vacuum isn't really working very well, so I've been getting it up with with this. I'm really upset right now, you guys. Like, how am I gonna clean this up? Yeah, we won't talk about that. Number 9 is turntables. Turntables make everything easier. Turntables will allow you to do that practice where nothing is in the back. That is where you lose things, when things are either in the bottom or the back. If you can avoid this in any kind of way, boom, you're organized. I know, it seems like magic, but it's really not magic. I use turntables the most in the pantry and in the kitchen. I think they are so helpful. And the thing is, when you put the turntable in the cabinet, you're gonna have empty space on the side. Listen, it's okay. It's okay if you have some empty space on the side. It's okay. Listen, you don't need to fill up the cabinet space. You don't need to. What you do need to do is find stuff. And if you have a turntable, you can find stuff. So I've got these stainless steel turntables that have been great. I've got a bamboo one that's been great. I love them. Doesn't matter what material they're made out of. They're great. Some people use them in the fridge. I think that's a little much, But turntables, my favorite thing, also known as lazy Susans, but I don't want to insult all the Susans out there. Susan, I'm sorry. You're not lazy. You're a hardworking person. All right, last but not least, my favorite organizing thing. It's not my favorite. I'm just being dramatic. Probably one of the longest used items in my whole organizing product repertoire is cabinet shelves. Cabinet shelves are sort of like shelf inception. They're a shelf for a shelf, which is kind of crazy, but they allow you to use up all that vertical space in the cabinet. You want to pile smaller plates on top of larger plates? Cool, but you don't want to have to get the whole pile of smaller plates off of the pile of larger plates in order to get to the larger plate. You know what I'm saying? This is where a cabinet shelf comes in super handy. So I love cabinet shelves. I had been using the wire cabinet shelves from Container Store. I have some bamboo ones as well, very cute, but the ones that I love the most and that have my heart are the ones from Open Spaces. Oh my goodness. Full disclosure, Open Spaces sent me some products in 2020 to try, and the cabinet shelf was one of my favorite things I tried from their line. It is so high quality. Everything that Open Spaces makes is amazingly high quality, and it's just a beautiful shelf. It's wood and wire. So gorgeous. I have one that I'm using for my computer to hold up my some of my electronic equipment, and it's just such a game changer as far as vertical space is concerned. So I highly recommend cabinet shelves, shelf inception. Do yourself a favor, treat yourself. Okay friends, those are all of the organizing products that have stood the test of time. Probably some honorable mentions are the shoe boxes from the Container Store. Love those, love them very much. Just didn't make the list. They were just an honorable mention. I mean, they're good. It's a box. It has many uses. Okay, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know if anything from this list resonates with you. Which one have you been using for the longest time? Let me know down in the comment below. You can write that instead of writing a hate comment or something like that. That would be great. All right, friends, I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.